Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily import videos into the CapCut PC. So in here, I've already opened the new projects in CapCut PC. And to start importing a video, you can just click on this import button first and go to the device, and there will be this import button. So there are two ways that you can do. You can drag and drop in here, or you can just click on the import button and then find the videos that you want to import it. So for example, I'm going to import these videos right here. Now click on open, and after that your videos will be imported, and this will be the preview. Okay, and that's it. If you want to add it into the track, you can just drag in here or click on the plus button. So that's all for me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.